All right, a HelloFresh unboxing here. In this box, looks like stuffed meatballs, sweet and tangy chicken legs, and teriyaki steak. It'll come wrapped with everything you need. Teriyaki steak all in this one. Stuffed meatball in this one. And then all the way in the bottom, looks like the sweet and tangy chicken legs. And at the very bottom of here is going to be all the ingredients you need for that. So this will be all the meats. So the chicken legs. This is the ground beef. And then the steak. And down here will just be an ice pack for recycling. And that will be my unboxing of the HelloFresh meals.